Hi guys, welcome to our Armcandy channel. I hope you're okay, I hope your day is going well. Today I'm going to talk you through this gorgeous Prada bag that we've just had in. This has just gone live onto our website, there's a link for it below. But I'm going to just talk you through the features of this bag and the condition of this actual bag. So it's that gorgeous black leather that I absolutely love. It's got that gorgeous graining to it and it's just scrumptious. You know that gorgeous soft leather you just want to hug? So the bag itself has got a fabulous shape and structure to it, so it's going to keep that shape and keep its structure. But the leather just makes it so tactile and soft. It's just beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. So this Prada bag is called a Sacca Due Manici, which means bag with two handles. So there's your two handles, really nice, comfortable shoulder straps. You know, sometimes you put a bag on your shoulder and you think, oh, it's going to slip off, the strap's going to fall off. This doesn't feel like that. It feels safe and secure and comfortable, tucks under your arm nicely. It feels really, really good on. So on the base, there are 4 studs. I'll show you the back and then spin it round onto the front where you've got this Prada badge on the front, obviously, and then we've also got the Prada luggage tag as well. It fastens here with a magnetic press-stud fasten, okay, and I don't know if it will focus, what it might do. You've got Prada on there as well. And then on the side, it's got these press-studs as well. So I think you can see it's a very spacious bag. There's a massive opening, it's fine, but if you wanted to, you could open them, have an even bigger opening and create even more space inside the bag. And it really is roomy. I mean, I would call this a medium-sized bag for every day. I'm a UK size 10, about 5'4". I would call that a kind of medium-sized bag. But inside, it just seems huge. I could properly put everything in there that I need for the whole day and be absolutely fine. Okay. If you want the exact measurements, they are on the website. You can click the link below the video to go and have a look at the actual measurements. So inside, we have got some D-rings, so if you wanted to add a long strap, you could. There is one zipped pocket, it's a deep, let's just do this, open it up, it's a deep pocket, and then in front of that there's a flat pocket as well. A flat pocket. That's the zip pull. I'm going to see if we can go that way so you can see it, and then we've got the Prada badges on the flat pocket. And I think you can see, got that gorgeous Prada lining. Can you see that? Beautiful, beautiful. Prada logo lining. Okay, so the condition. The interior is in excellent condition, as in literally perfect. Showroom conditions, excellent condition on the inside. The hardware we've called very, very good. And the only reason it isn't excellent is because, and it won't show up, I don't think, on the camera, there is some slight signs of wear on the base studs, and that's it. The hardware here is excellent, excellent. Inside hardware is absolutely pristine. It is literally just those base studs, so we called it very, very good. The exterior we've called very, very good. Again, it is absolutely excellent, pristine, beautiful, amazing condition. The only sign of wear, and it isn't going to show up because it is so minute, is the slightest sign of wear on the bottom corners. And I mean slight. I've had to examine the bag to find something wrong with it. When they come in, we have a good look at them and we examine them, and we're actually looking for what is wrong with the bag. I had to look and search, and there is, honestly, it's such slight, you know, you probably won't even notice. However, we have called it very, very good. But actually, it's pretty excellent. And I think you'll agree, gorgeous. A proper, comfortable, everyday bag. Feels just all nice and scrumptious and beautiful. So, what does it come with? This particular bag comes with the Prada dust bag. It also has, what have we got here? We've got the little cute little Prada envelope that has got the card in it. And then we have got a product tag. And then we have got the Prada, can I open it? Prada care card. Okay, so that's what the bag comes with. There is a link to this on our website. If you go to my comments below the video, you can click the link and it will take you to the website. You can have a look at this on there. If you've come here from our website, you can press the back button and you'll go straight back to the product page where you came from. Before you go and have a look, before you click and go and have a look, if you've not yet subscribed to this Armcandy channel, then do so now. Hit the bell. We have bags coming in all the time, so you need to be subscribed to the channel so you can see what's coming up. And then when you go over to the website, if you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you a discount code that you can use. It's 5% off your first purchase. So when you've subscribed here, go and subscribe over there. Take you 20 seconds. You go to the website, scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a box, you put your email address in, jobs are good, and we will immediately send you your discount code. If you don't immediately get your discount code, check your spam folder. They sometimes end up in people's spam folders. So check there. What else do you need to know? I have put a link below to our Instagram. Now, I don't know if you are on Instagram, but Instagram, we put all of the gorgeous products on there, but a little bit about what's going on in Armcandy World, Armcandy HQ. So you're very welcome to come and have a look at a bit more of a behind the scenes situation. So that's on our Instagram. There is a link to that in my comments below, so you can go and click that, come and join us and have a look at us on Instagram. But other than that, have a really fabulous day, and we will see you next time with our next gorgeous piece on our Armcandy channel.